Hey, Matt here. Let me explain how the Scrapeboard WordPress poster works. What it does is it allows you to mass post to your WordPress blogs. So if you have or want to make a blog network, this is a very convenient, very easy poster that works all in one place. So let's jump right in and have a look. If you go to the Toolbox tab here and then hit the WordPress poster, you'll see this, which is the actual screen where you're going to do your posts. Now we have to set up a couple of things in order to make this work. So if I hit the online help right here, it brings up this handy online help that tells me a couple of nice things. One, it tells me the format of how I need to make my blog files that I'm going to import into Scrapeboard. And so I need to make it with a blog URL, a username, and a password. So my blog is over here at scrapeboardfact.com/blog. And so what I need to do is to get this right here, this part of it, and then my username and my password, and I'm going to put it in a file in this format. And it's going to look just like this. Just put it in a regular text document, scrapeboard.com, scrapeboardfact.com/blog, and then the separator, the pipe key, the scrapeboard, and then again, and then your password. And I've changed the password since this video, but I made it simple and easy for the video. And so then I'm going to save that off. And then I also have to make some changes to my WordPress blog settings in order to make this work. So under settings, I need to enable this XML RPC publishing protocol. And this isn't going to work, at least not at the time of this video, on a WordPress.com style blog. It's going to have to be a self-hosted WordPress, so you're going to have like yoursite.com and then install WordPress on it. So if I go into mine here in my admin panel for WordPress, down here under settings and then writing, and then down here under XML RPC remote publishing, I can enable WordPress movable type and the rest XML RPC publishing protocols. And then we want to save that. And then we're going to go into let me show you the blog here. So I have this is the homepage of the blog, scrapeboardfact.com/blog. And this is just my test blog. Let's refresh it here. I have no content. I deleted all the default stuff with WordPress, so there's nothing here except for a frame. And so let's go into Scrapeboard. Typed in some basic content. Scrapeboard is an excellent tool as a title. Threw in some tags, Scrapeboard, links, automation, that sort of thing. Now, for categories, you have to already have the category created on your blog, so you can use uncategorized. And if you try to use a category that doesn't exist on your blog, it will actually put it as an uncategorized category. And this is again at the time of this video how Scrapeboard works. And then in our WYSIWYG editor here, I just typed out some basic stuff about how easy Scrapeboard is, how convenient it is to make links automatically while I sleep. I'm going to rank, and then I use some spin text here, above all my competitors, better than my competitors, and at the top of Google. You can use spin text, you can adjust your font size, you have bold, italics, underlines, centers, colors, pictures, pictures from your computer, pictures from the web, like an actual URL, links, and then a preview. I went ahead and put in, I found it here, threw in an actual link, that sort of thing. Always want to preview, always want to preview before you do this. Make sure that you have all of your formatting right. So let's hit preview. It looks right. We spin it a few times, see how it changes my spin text there. Nothing's all botched up. It all looks good. Have my link and everything. So we're okay there. I need to import my file, which is just my blog poster file saved off, which is, again, we formatted it with our blog username and password. And let's go ahead and hit start. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you the status here as it goes through its step, and it's completed. It shows you here the permalink of the actual post that it created for you. And of course you could have many blogs in here and spin this all out so that everything looks unique by the time it gets to each blog and post to a lot of blogs and a lot of links all at once, which is handy. Now let's go have a look at our blog. Remember here, let's refresh. And so now I'm in the category here, which is why it didn't refresh. So my recent posts, let's go to that. So this is the actual homepage. And Scrapeboard is an excellent tool. Everything's spun out. I have my website here, which I can go to. I have my tags that came in under my tag cloud, my categories, and that sort of thing. and I can click on all that, and everything's there just like I went and made this post myself right here on the site. And that is how the Scrapeboard poster works.